Hey everyone, what if I told you that you could have an AI assistant that doesn't just chat with you, but actually works alongside you, organizing your files, creating presentations, analyzing data, and completing complex tasks autonomously? Well, that's exactly what Claude Cowork does. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything about Claude Cowork, from what it is, how it works, to real-world examples that will blow your mind. So let's dive in. So, what exactly is Claude Cowork? Simply put, it's an AI agent that works like a digital coworker. Released in January 2026 by Anthropic, Cowork is built on the same foundation as Claude Code. But here's the difference. While Claude Code was designed for developers to write code, Cowork is designed for everyone to handle everyday work tasks. Let me break down what makes Cowork special. First, it has file system access, meaning Claude can read, edit, and create files and folders you give it permission to access. Second, it works autonomously. You give it a task, it makes a plan, and executes it step by step while keeping you in the loop. Third, it integrates with your existing tools through connectors and skills, connecting to Google Drive, your browser through Claude and Chrome, and specialized document creation tools. And finally, it can multitask. You can queue up multiple tasks and Claude will work through them in parallel. It's like having a colleague who never gets tired. Now, you might be asking, I already use Claude for conversations. What's the difference? In regular Claude conversations, it's a back and forth exchange. You ask, Claude responds, you ask again, and so on. Claude generates content, but you have to copy it, save it, format it, and use it. With Cowork, Claude takes action directly. It doesn't just suggest what to do, it does it. It can organize your messy downloads folder, create a spreadsheet from scattered screenshots, or draft a complete report from your notes, all by itself. The key difference is agency. In Cowork, Claude operates with much more autonomy. It plans, executes, monitors progress, and adapts when needed, all while keeping you informed and asking for approval on significant actions. All right, so how do you get started? Here's what you need. First, you need a Claude subscription. It's currently available for Mac subscribers, Pro users, Team, and Enterprise plans. Second, you need the Mac OS app. As of now, Cowork is only available on Mac, but Windows support is coming soon. Third, installation is simple. Just download the Claude Mac OS app from claude.com/download, and you'll see Cowork in the sidebar. Here's how to start your first Cowork session. Step 1, click Cowork in the sidebar. Step 2, grant folder access. Choose which folders Claude can work with. Step 3, configure connectors. Optionally connect Google Drive, Slack, or other tools. Step 4, give Claude a task and watch it work. A critical point about security, Claude only has access to folders you explicitly grant permission to. It can't read or modify anything else on your computer. You're always in control. Now, let's talk about what you can actually do with Cowork. I've organized this into 5 major categories: file management, document creation, data analysis, research and organization, and automated workflows. Let's dive into each one with examples. For file management, imagine your downloads folder is a complete mess. Hundreds of randomly named files. You can tell Claude, organize my downloads folder by file type, rename files with descriptive names based on their content, and create subfolders for documents, images, videos, and archives. Claude will analyze each file, understand what it is, create organized folders, and rename everything logically. What would take you hours happens in minutes. For document creation, let's say you have meeting notes scattered across multiple text files. You can say, create a professional quarterly report combining all meeting notes from the Q1_notes folder, formatted as a Word document with a table of contents, executive summary, and sections for each month. Claude will read all your notes, synthesize the information, create a properly formatted document with all the elements you requested. For data analysis, and this is where it gets really powerful, you can give Claude spreadsheets or CSV files and ask it to analyze the sales data, create visualizations showing monthly trends, identify top-performing products, and generate a summary report with recommendations. Claude writes the code, executes it, generates charts, and compiles everything into a final report. For research tasks, imagine you're working on a competitive analysis. You could say, search online for information about the top 5 project management tools. Create a comparison spreadsheet with pricing, features, and user ratings, then summarize pros and cons for each. Cowork can use web search, gather information, organize it into structured formats, and present findings, all autonomously. And finally, automated workflows. Here's a powerful example. Every Monday, check my email for expense receipts from last week, extract the data, add it to my expense tracking spreadsheet, and create a summary of total spending by category. With the right connectors, Cowork can create recurring workflows that save you hours every week. Now let's talk about advanced features. Cowork has a skills system that extends its capabilities. Skills are like specialized plugins that teach Claude how to handle specific file types better. There are built-in skills for creating Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, Excel spreadsheets, and PDFs with professional formatting. For example, the PowerPoint skill enables Claude to create presentations with custom themes, add charts and diagrams, format slides professionally, include speaker notes, generate complete pitch decks from bullet points. Connectors link Cowork to external services. Current connectors include Google Drive for cloud file access, Slack for team communication, Gmail for email management, and the ability to create custom connectors for your specific tools. When you combine Cowork with Claude in Chrome, the possibilities multiply. Claude can browse websites, fill out forms, gather information from multiple sources, and interact with web applications, all while completing your tasks. One of my favorite features is parallel task execution. Unlike traditional assistants where you wait for one task to finish, Cowork lets you queue multiple tasks. Clean up my downloads, create a presentation from my project notes, and analyze this CSV file, all running simultaneously. It's like having multiple assistants working at once. Now, giving AI access to your files might sound scary, so let's talk about safety and control. First, explicit permissions. Claude only accesses folders you specifically authorize, nothing else. Second, action confirmation. Claude asks before taking significant actions, especially potentially destructive ones like deleting files. Third, you can supervise and course correct at any time. You see what Claude is planning and can intervene. However, there are important things to be aware of. Cowork can execute destructive actions if instructed, like deleting files, so be clear and specific with your instructions. There's also the risk of prompt injection attacks, where malicious content Claude encounters could try to alter its behavior. Anthropic has built defenses, but it's an evolving area. Best practices: start with non-critical folders, give clear instructions, review Claude's plans before approval, and keep backups of important data. Let me show you a complete workflow example. Imagine I'm a product manager who needs to organize customer feedback emails, analyze sentiment patterns, create a presentation for stakeholders, all before a meeting in 2 hours. Here's what I would tell Cowork. I have 50 customer feedback emails in my feedback folder. Please, 1, read and categorize them by topic, features, bugs, pricing, UX. 2, analyze sentiment, positive, neutral, negative. 3, extract top 10 most mentioned issues. 4, create a PowerPoint presentation with findings and actionable recommendations. 5, make it professional with charts and clear sections. Here's what happens behind the scenes. Step 1, Claude reads all 50 emails. Step 2, uses NLP to categorize and analyze sentiment. Step 3, aggregates data and identifies patterns. Step 4, generates visualizations, pie charts, bar graphs. Step 5, creates PowerPoint with formatted slides. Step 6, presents final deliverable for review. And the result? A professional 12-slide presentation with executive summary, sentiment analysis breakdown, category distribution charts, top issues list with frequency, actionable recommendations, all formatted, polished, and ready to present. What would have taken me 2+ hours of manual work, done in 20 minutes. Let's talk about pricing and availability. Cowork is currently available on Claude Max, $20 a month, includes Cowork access; Claude Pro, $20 a month, research preview access; Claude Team, $30 per user per month; Claude Enterprise, custom pricing. Currently Mac OS only, Windows coming soon. You need the desktop app. It's not available on web or mobile yet. What's coming in the future? Cross-device sync, Windows support, more built-in skills, enhanced security features, broader connector ecosystem, improved multimodal capabilities. Before we wrap up, here are my top tips for getting the most out of Cowork. Tip 1. Be specific. Instead of organize my files, say organize my downloads by file type into subfolders, rename files using year, month, day with descriptive names. Tip 2. Break complex tasks into steps. For big projects, outline the steps first. First, analyze this data, then create visualizations, finally compile into a report. Tip 3. Use examples. Show Claude what you want. Create a spreadsheet like this example, but with our Q4 data. Tip 4. Leverage skills. When creating documents, specify the skill. Use the PowerPoint skill to create a professional pitch deck. Tip 5. Start small. Test Cowork on non-critical tasks first. Learn how it interprets instructions before using it on important work. And here's what not to do. Giving vague instructions, granting access to critical system folders, not reviewing outputs before using them, expecting perfection without iteration, using it on confidential data without proper security review. Cowork works best for repetitive file organization tasks, data compilation and analysis, document creation from templates, research and information gathering, workflow automation for routine tasks. How does Cowork compare to other AI tools? Versus ChatGPT Plus, ChatGPT can browse and analyze, but can't directly manipulate local files or execute multi-step workflows autonomously. Versus Microsoft Copilot, Copilot integrates deeply with Office, but is more reactive than proactive. Cowork has more autonomous agency. Versus Google Gemini, similar limitations to ChatGPT, lacks direct file system access and autonomous execution. The key differentiator? Cowork actually does the work, not just helps you do it. Let's be honest about limitations. 1. Mac OS only. 2. Research preview means bugs and rough edges. 3. Can make mistakes. Always review outputs. 4. Speed depends on task complexity. 5. Subscription required, not free. 6. Requires good internet connection. 7. Some tasks still need human oversight. Cowork isn't ideal for quick, simple questions. Regular Claude is better. Real-time collaboration, human coworkers still win. Creative brainstorming, conversational mode works better. Tasks requiring human judgment and ethics, anything requiring 100% accuracy with zero review. All right, let's wrap this up. Here are the key takeaways. 1. Cowork is an AI agent that actually works alongside you, not just chats. 2. It can handle file management, document creation, data analysis, and automation. 3. Built-in safety features keep you in control. 4. Available now for Max, Pro, Team, and Enterprise subscribers on Mac OS. 5. Game-changing for productivity if used correctly. Is Cowork perfect? No. Is it revolutionary? Absolutely. We're seeing the future of work here, where AI agents handle routine tasks while humans focus on creative, strategic work. Will it replace human workers? No, but it will definitely change how we work. The question is, will you adapt and use it to amplify your productivity or get left behind? If you found this valuable, please like this video and subscribe for more AI tool deep dives. Drop a comment below telling me, what task would you use Cowork for? And if you try Cowork, let me know how it goes. I'm curious to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.